Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an Upstart loan review. Is it worth it? I'm going to be completely honest, the pros and cons. Now, let me explain what they do. They use AI, by the way, and this approval process is purely AI driven. So, what they do, they look beyond just your, credit score. They consider factors like your education or employment history, which was honestly a huge plus for me, for example, as my credit history was not extensive, but my educational background, it helps me get approved when traditional lenders might have said no. Okay? They connect you basically to 100 plus banks and credit unions who leverage Upstart's AI. And the pre-qualification process is very very quick. It's almost instant. Okay, it usually takes 5 minutes or instant. Most people it is instant, and it does not impact your credit score, by the way. Okay, which is great for shopping. Let me actually show you, right? It doesn't affect your credit score at all. Another major pro is the speed of funding. As you can see right here, you get your funds within one business day. That is what happened with me, which is incredibly helpful for, your urgent financial needs. And there's no prepayment penalties. So, you could pay off your loan early without extra fees, which, it saves you interest. And the fixed terms they have 3 years to 5 years. Okay. It makes your monthly payments predictable and it's easy to budget for. Now, I'll give you the cons as well because while their AI model, I know it is innovative, right? It can lead to actually higher APYs and uh, origination fees. So higher APRs and origination fees, especially if they consider your profile to be riskier. Okay. For example, my origination fee was a noticeable chunk taken out of the loan amount upfront, which means you receive less than what you borrowed. Also, the APR can be quite high for some borrowers. So, it's important to compare their offer carefully with others, right? And their customer support, by the way, it is primarily online or by phone. So, the phone, the support options, it's somewhat limited compared to traditional banks. And remember, guys, also there's no co-signer option, which might be a drawback for someone who needs that support to actually qualify, or get a better rate. And if you're someone who is an Android user, by the way, let me mention this. They do not offer a mobile app for Android users, which is it can be a minor inconvenience as some people prefer managing their finances on their phone and maybe they only own Androids, right? So keep that in mind while you make a decision. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.